Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see about basic text formatting options on your Google Sheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show a basic text formatting option on your Google Sheet on your computer. So we're just going to about a basic text formatting option. So I just type something like here. Okay. Now I just want to increase this font of this font. Just right click here and you will see a lot of options here, and on the top you can just increase the font size like this. And if you just want to change the font, you can just change the font from here like this. And this is for boldness, and you can just change it if you just need to change the bold, you can mold it. You can just click on this eye option to italic, and this is a strike through. And if you just want to have a color on the background, you can just set a color for the text. And if you just need a color for background, you can just use this option to change the color to the background option. And here this changed, and I'm just going to change the color here to red, so you can see. And then you will see these are the basic text formatting option. And also you can just change the angle of rotation. Everything is on the top. You can use this is the basic text formatting option on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.